Taking a look at my schematics, my top rear rail runs the entire width of the inside of my project. If we look at our parts list, the finished length is 22.5 inches. If you remember, we previously cut our piece to 22 3/4, which was an oversized measurement. We want to make sure that both ends are perfectly square, so I'm going to mark both ends of my board. My first cut will take off as little material as possible. I then want to mark 22.5 inches and complete my second cut. Because there is only one of these pieces, we do not need to set up a stop block. This leaves me with my top rear rail at a finished width of 2 inches, a finished length of 22.5 inches, and my oversized thickness of about 1 inch.